Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Sunday, March 7, 2021. It is 4:33 and 51 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, new mechanism of forced transduction. So let's hop to it here. New mechanism of forced transduction in muscle cells discovered. Date December 18, 2020. Source, University of Munster. Summary. Researchers have now discovered how the muscle-specific adhesion molecule, metavinculin, modulates mechanical force transduction on a molecular level. The ability of cells to sense and respond to their mechanical environment is critical for many cellular processes, but the molecular mechanisms underlying cellular mechanosensitivity are still unclear. The interaction of cells with their environment is mediated by special adhesion structures, which transduce mechanical force inwards and out of cells. As cellular adhesions consist of hundreds of different proteins, it is still unclear how the mechanical information is transmitted on the molecular level. To study these processes in more detail, the research laboratory at the Munster develops biosensors that allow the detection of piconewton scale forces propagated across individual molecules in cells. In their most recent study, the authors applied their microscopy-based techniques to their adhesion protein, metavinculin, which is expressed in muscle cells and associated with cardiomyopathy, a heart muscle disease. By analyzing a range of genetically modified cells, the authors demonstrate that the presence of metavinculin changes how mechanical forces are transduced in cell adhesion complexes. The research data indicate that metavinculin can function as a molecular dampener, helping to resist high peak forces observed in muscle tissues. This is a very interesting example of how the presence of a single protein can change the way mechanical information is processed in cells. Surprisingly, the authors did not observe any indications of cardiomyopathy in mice lacking metavinculin. This suggests that the pathophysiological role of metavinculin is more complex than previously assumed. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on microbiology, bioinformatics, and pathophysiology. Well, hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.